Hi everyone, my name is Elisa, your English teacher. This is an English lesson where you can learn English with me while I cook chicken. I'll show you simple words and sentences that you can use in your daily life. Listen, repeat, and practice with me. Let's cook and learn English together. First, wash the chicken. Wash the chicken. You need to wash it. See? Wash the chicken. Then peel and slice the onion. Then peel and slice the onion. Or grate the onion using a grater. First, let's peel the onion. To peel, you see? I'm peeling it now. Let's peel the onion. Let's put the peels in the garbage bin and wash the onion in the garbage bin and wash the onion. Oops. So let's wash the onion. Now let's grate the onion using a grater. Let's grate the onion. So now I'm going to add some salt, pepper, olive oil, and a little bit of lemon juice. Add salt, pepper, olive oil, and some lemon juice. Okay, so I'm gonna add some salt and I'll add some olive oil, about 1 tablespoon, and I'll squeeze a few drops of lemon juice. Oh my goodness, now I'm coughing because of pepper. Anyways, so I'll squeeze some lemon juice. So now I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice to make it even more delicious. Now I'm going to mix everything well using my hands. This is called marinating. Now I'm gonna put it in a container and put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, let's wash my hands. Let's wipe my hands using a towel. Wipe my hands using a towel. Okay, so let's close the containers. And so we put chicken in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. I'm gonna put it for a few hours before our lunchtime to chop the onion, to peel the onion, to peel, to slice, to marinate, to mix, to stir. Mix the marinade well. Stir the marinade well. To mix, to stir. To season. To season means to add salt and pepper. To preheat the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius. To cook. I'm going to cook the chicken in the air fryer. To flip, turn over. To flip, turn over. To flip, to turn over. Flip the chicken halfway through. Flip the chicken halfway through. To check if it's ready. Let's check if the chicken is ready. To serve. Now it's ready to serve. Now it's ready to serve. To place it in the air fryer. Let's place the chicken in the air fryer. Let's place the chicken in the air fryer. Into the air frying basket. An air frying basket. Let's open the air fryer and put the chicken and place the chicken into the air frying basket. Foil. So I'm gonna put some foil at the bottom. I'm gonna place some foil at the bottom. And now I'll place the marinated chicken into the air fryer, into the air frying basket. So now let's close the air fryer like this. Okay, so set the air fryer for 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna set it for 180 degrees Celsius. First, I bake the chicken for 16 minutes and then I flip it over halfway through. So our chicken is baking now. I'm going to wash the dishes. First, I bought some onion. Also, I bought a cabbage. This is a cabbage. Also, bananas. Also, I bought some bananas. Lemons. I bought lemons. Next, I bought some peaches. A peach. Peaches.
And this one is wolf.
Yeah, this one is a wolf. You see? This one is a wolf. Okay, also I got some small peaches, maybe nectarines. No, I think these are some small peaches. Next, I got some apples and apples.
And this is dinosaur.
And this is a dinosaur. Yeah. Ariane is saying that a wolf is playing with a dinosaur. Also, I got some cucumbers. A cucumbers. Okay, so then I bought a zucchini. I bought a zucchini. I bought some garlic. I bought a green pepper, peppers. Also, I bought some tomatoes, tomatoes. And finally, I bought some corn. Okay, now let's clean up a little bit. Let's clean up the plastic bags. Now, halfway through, flip the chicken. Halfway through, flip the chicken. So let's flip the chicken. And set it for about 15 more minutes. I'm gonna set it for 16 more minutes. Okay, our chicken is ready. So let's take a look. Oh, it's golden and crispy. So let's try it. And this is how our chicken looks. To me, it looks very delicious. It's golden and crispy. Great job. Thank you for learning English with me.